What's up, everybody? My name is Rob Anderson. I'm here on the Las Vegas Strip. This is Antron, this is Virginia, and we're gonna do some magic. You guys are a little bit skeptical, but I think you're gonna like this. You're a couple. It's a date night, maybe, right? How long have you guys been together?
8 years.
Really? 8 years? Wow, congratulations, man. Nice. So 8 years ago, you guys went on some first dates and realized you liked each other and got to know each other and held hands and that good stuff. I want to take you back to that early on in the relationship, all right? Antron, could you hold a hand out here towards Virginia? We're gonna do a card trick. I got some cards here. I've got the 5 of clubs I'm gonna hand to you. Virginia, could you please place your hand on top of Antron with that card in it? Place your hand right on there on top, holding just like that. Perfect. Remember those first dates when you guys got to know each other? Felt some magic on those dates, maybe?
Yeah, my hands were pretty sweaty that
So, don't ruin my cards if they're sweaty now. Just like that. I've got the Ace of Hearts. Hearts are better for you guys. Celebrating love tonight, talking about love. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do that, and we should be able to do that and change those cards around. Look.
Okay.
See if you got the heart. Yeah, you do.
Okay.
Yeah, you do. Very cool. All right, you guys dated a little while longer. You got to know each other. You started calling each other maybe some pet names, baby, sweetheart, I don't know, good stuff. You know, some cultures, they refer to each other as like each other's king and queen. No, I don't think you guys have done that. Maybe you have, but I want you to realize that tonight, Antron, you're with a beautiful lady. You got a beautiful view. You should feel like a king tonight.
I do.
Antron is our king tonight. I want you to remember that. This trick is all about you, our king. Pick any card out, Antron. Take any one you want. Raise your hand, take any old one. Perfect. Show the camera. Show everybody. Don't show me, though. And then when you're ready, just say stop anywhere.
Stop.
Right there. Put it back on top. Antron, I don't know what the card is. I don't know where it is, but I do know it's somewhere near the middle. I'm gonna hold my hand right there so it doesn't blow away.
Yeah.
Imagine though, if I could reach into here and take out one card and turn it upside down and then put it back in the deck. If I could really do that, that would mean there's an upside down card in this deck right now. That would mean that upside down card is the 5 of Hearts. That was not his card, was it?
No.
Of course it was not. I know that. Now I know that. 5 of Hearts, it's just an indicator card, indicating I was wrong.
Okay.
Indicating I messed up. But the 5 actually also indicates if we go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cards, we should hopefully come to the 6 of clubs, which was your card.
It was.
Yeah, but that's not the cool part. Finding the card, that's never the cool part. I said this trick is all about you, Antron. That's why these 4 cards here on the table all represent you, our king.
No way.
Antron. Yes way. All about you. That would make this your queen. If you're the king, here's your queen right here. We're going to talk about you, Virginia. We're actually going to talk about both of you for a second, but you're going to help me out, Virginia, because I made a little prediction. I made a prediction on 4 queens. I've got 4 queens right here in my hand. Virginia, it's a little windy and I don't want you to think I'm using any sleight of hand, so I'd like you to hold these cards just like I have them, just like that. Hold them tight. I can't show you yet, but in a minute I'll show you that I've made a prediction on one of these queens. I think I've predicted what you two are about to do right here, right now. This is all about your compatibility. I think you're very compatible. This is going to work great. Are you ready? It's a 2-part trick. Antron, you're first. Here, you red or black? Which ones are coming out?
Red coming out.
Red cards, hearts and diamonds. Virginia. Antron just chose the red cards, the hearts and the diamonds. You can keep either one of those. Which one would you like, heart or diamond?
Heart.
Hearts over diamonds. Love over money. She's a keeper. It's a good choice. Look, nothing funny, nothing in my sleeves. I'm going to gently take these back from you because I predicted you would choose one card. You worked together to think of one card, the Queen of Hearts. I predicted you would say the Queen of Hearts, and that's why I turned it over for you guys. It's also why I took it out of a totally different deck of cards.
Okay.
And before I came here, I was committed. That's why I did not bother bringing any other cards with me at all, except Queen of Hearts for you guys.
Wow.
Thank you. I'm glad that worked out, actually. Thank you. You guys have been together long enough that you've made a lot of memories, made a lot of really good memories. Sometimes when people are connected by a really happy memory, very important memory, they almost can develop like a sixth sense where maybe one person experiences something and the other person knows about it or feels it somehow. And I don't know if you guys have ever felt that way tonight, but right here, right now, I'd like to try to make that happen for you guys. I want you to look into each other's eyes and I want you to picture any happy memory that you've shared. Don't say it out loud. I'm not going to try to guess it or figure it out. Just remember how happy you felt with each other when this memory occurred. And as you focus on that, Antron only, I'm going to have you relax and close your eyes just for a moment. Perfect. And your eyes will stay open, Virginia. I just want you to focus on this memory. What we're going to do is a little energy transfer. Here's what I mean. We're going to take a little bit of the happy energy you're feeling right here, and we're going to remove it, and we're going to bring it over here to where, oh, keep your eyes closed. I promise nothing weird. I promise nothing weird. We're just going to drop it right where you're at. Nothing yet. Nothing happened yet. You didn't feel anything. Nothing happened yet. You're good, right? That's as weird as it gets. We're just going to do this one more time. We're going to take a little bit of the happy energy from over here where Antron is. We're going to take your energy from that memory right here. We're going to transfer it right here. Boom. And a final time, we're just going to take a little bit of your energy right here, Antron, and we're going to take it. Boom. That's it. Now, here's the important part. Antron, please, oh, you can open now. Open your eyes. I want you to be honest. While your eyes were closed just now, did you feel anything at all touch you?
Yes.
You did. Where did you feel something touch you? On your nose. Did I touch him?
No.
Really? But did I touch you?
Yes.
Where did I gently touch you?
On my nose.
Just kind of went down the nose, didn't I? And did you feel that just lightly? Look, that seems like magic. I don't know what the memory was you thought of, but when you leave here tonight, when you're alone, tell each other, share that memory with each other, because it's obviously a very happy memory that you both shared, all right? I'm going to reposition you just for the last trick. We're going to do the grand finale. How about the grand finale? One more trick and you guys can get out of here. Cool? You guys have shared a lot of memories. You guys have probably shared some gifts. You guys have probably given each other gifts over the years. Meaningful gifts. Gifts can be very important in a relationship. I'm going to take this cloth and we're going to make a little pouch out of this cloth here. And Antron, what I'd like you to do is stick your hand down inside of that cloth, inside that pouch. Empty, yes?
Yeah.
Okay. I want you to visualize a gift you'd like to give tonight as you turn your palm face up like this.
Okay.
Cool. So your hand is face up like mine is,
It is.
looking at me. Cool. Your hand is face up?
Yes.
I want you to visualize any gift appearing you would like to give to her tonight. And I'd like you to give that gift to Virginia now.